On it to go live, and it's live. Hi everybody, I am back, Ashley and Mott here from, well, where I'm at? I'm at the Deaf Sports Day. I was told that this is the 9th staging of the Deaf Sports Day right here in Jamaica. We're at the University of Technology Papine campus, and guess what? I'm here with a deaf DJ. Yes, his name is Anton Abraham, and his DJ name is DJ Hear No Evil. Alright, I want you to meet him right now. Alright, so he has Jamaican parentage, but I just wanted to introduce yourself. Introduce yourself to us.
I'm gonna use my sign if you got it.
Sure, yes, please.
My name is Anton DJ Hear No Evil. I'm from New York.
Yes, you're from New York.
Yes.
All right, so all the New York people represent. All right, tell me now, why are you in Jamaica?
I'm here to empower the youth. So I aim for deaf care, which happening in TTTD, Swimming Center for the Deaf.
Yes.
Swimming Center quickly for the deaf.
Yes.
Basically, I'm starting to empower the youth. So that deaf people can do whatever they want.
Of course. Where have you been so far?
I mean, most of the time I went to Kingston, most of the time.
Yeah.
Another time I went, most of the time I went to Kingston, downtown Kingston, with the jump club,
Yes.
with the ball, you know.
Yes.
I started to know my roots, understand what to make it culture.
Yes. All right. So very quickly, because I heard that I don't have much time with you. Tell me 5 things that you like about Jamaica.
Beef patty, yeah, beef patty.
Beef patty.
The food.
The food.
The food is better than
Yes, so that's one.
Yeah. The mood is stuff.
The music. Yes.
People are very kind. I mean,
Yes.
very kind.
4.
Supporting. The mountains.
The mountains.
Now to the nature, but the weather and stuff.
Yes. And 5.
One more relaxing.
Oh, you get to relax in Jamaica. Nice.
But not native, but I'm just saying because
Yes.
I have more freedom about here.
Yeah.
Other than myself.
Yeah. All right. Quickly, where can we find you on social media so that people can learn more about you?
You can follow me on my Instagram, it's DJ Hear No Evil. Twitter, DJ Hear No Evil 15.
Yes.
And Facebook, you can find DJ Hear No Evil. So those are social media. Also, I do have a mixtape, which
Yeah.
is mixcloud.com.
Yes.
DJ Hear No Evil. I'm going to repeat. Mixcloud.com. DJ Hear No Evil.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, DJ Hear No Evil, for this interview. I know there is so many things, so many questions that our followers will have for you. So I invite you to visit the page, our Facebook page, and feel free to respond to them. Yeah.
I will do that.
All right. Thank you. All right. This is our coverage of the Deaf Sports Day, and I want to, if you don't mind being in the camera as well. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my interpreter here. Just remind me of your name, Jessica, and you're representing which organization?
I'm representing Deaf Empowerment Abroad Foundation.
Yes. Are you enjoying Jamaica?
I am enjoying Jamaica so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Awesome, awesome. All right, that's it from me, Ashley and Mott, at fantabulous episode of Jamaica Smiles. Thank you for watching, and feel free to go ahead and follow DJ Hear No Evil and Douglas Ridloff on Instagram and Facebook. Take care. Until next time, I'm Ashley and Mott. Bless.